lot of space. I leave it for the angels who are playing. I try not to think a lot of things, because so soon they're gasping because there's not enough to spare. I'm just happy living in this dark room. So light this crooked candle and I'll give you what you need. I saw your face painted on the wall, shapeless in space, colorless and small. I remember you, faded and subdued. I spent the day haunted by your sight, hiding away, curse away the light. I remember you, fading out of view. You're a memory now, you're all faded and brown, just namelessly hung